So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at version control, what it is, and we'll look at a typical example of a version control technology, which is Git. We'll also look at GitHub, what GitHub is, and we'll also look at some basic concept that comes with the Git technology. So when we talk about version control, we mentioned earlier on that it is a technology that helps us to track or manage changes. And since it can help us to manage changes, it also makes it possible for more than one person to work on a particular file. So because it's helping us to track the changes and who made those changes, then it means that two people can work on a particular file, and then we can put some kind of marking or some kind of logs on who made that change at what time. Because we're able to determine who made a change, then it is an idea. It is good for collaboration. So basically, two or more people can work on that particular project, and once they're working on that project, we can be able to assign tasks to people, and we'll ask people to focus on particular parts of our project. Or assuming that you're having some challenge with your assigned role, a person can also look at what you're doing and also help you do that. And so this is one of the reasons why version control is good. It's not just for tracking changes and managing changes, but it can also help us to do what we call collaboration within a team.